With individuals changing their careers 7 to 10 times throughout their life and with many jobs in between, developing your job searching skills is an important life skill to help you find the perfect job. Welcome to the course, Find Your Perfect Job for Success. Hello, my name is Leah Schmerling. I'm the course writer and founder of Career Coaching and Training. Individuals seek a new job for different reasons. After your studies, dismissal or retrenchment, you may want to change your career, or while you're still employed, you recognize it is time to move on. Many people are competing for the same job in the employment market. Employers receive many applications, and you may need to apply for many jobs until you are successful and offered work. To stand out with your job application, market yourself to employers to show that you are the best candidate by highlighting your qualifications, skills, and a positive attitude to leave a great impression on prospective employers. The course aims to improve your communication skills in writing, speaking, and presenting yourself as the best candidate that stands out in the application process. Achieve your career goals and gain confidence with high-quality job applications, and improve your interview techniques to show your professional self as a high-quality applicant with knowledge, skills, and attitudes to succeed. Job searching is a valuable experience and will contribute to your self-development and growth. Enjoy the course and good luck with your job seeking.